Is that a donut? Is that a donut? You like the donut?
What are you doing? Really?
Can I just hit it?
Come here, Quad.
Alright. That's it. We're here with the pack and everybody's leaving. Obviously, they're all running away from me. So whoever's the closest to me gets a shout out. That means Taco Copter, that means Trad Boyer FPV, and that means Fonz. The rest of you, yeah!
You could have thrown me.
I couldn't have. I could have done that. You guys have a good one. Bye.